What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2013 Honda NC700s. This is a killer looking bike, guys. Yoshimura exhaust. It's got a couple flaws here and there, but I think it's a super cool bike. It's not DCT, it's automatic, which makes it amazing. But this is a walk-around video. Let's get started. This wheel looks like it's in good shape. It is a little bit worn in the center. Just gonna throw that out there. It's pretty much all stock here in the back. Couple tiny scuffs. You can see those in the seat. They're not worn through. They're just like, I just saw that in the glistening light. Nice Yoshimura carbon fiber exhaust. Couple little scuffs right there on the plastic. Not a huge deal. Couple little scuffs right there. Whatevs. Got a little scuff on the bar end, or on the lever end, and then on the bar end you got a tiny scratch. Couple little scratches. Not a huge deal, guys. It does have ABS, which is awesome. Coming from a guy that just wrecked a bike because his front wheel locked up. ABS is awesome. I'm still not 100% sold on the fact that I have to have it, but it is nice to have. Scuff right there. Just don't lock your brakes up and get run over by a dump truck, and you don't even need to spend the extra on ABS. It is a 2013, like I said. Honda makes their VINs so easily accessible. I love it. It's chain driven, obviously. It's in really good shape. Scuff down there. The one major flaw I found on this bike, a couple little scuffs on that bar end. Mirrors are in good shape. This back turn signal does have some electrical tape on it, if you can see that. So this one's fine. This one's got electrical tape. I personally don't care. It's not a huge deal. Scuff right there. Tiny scuff right there. It's actually got like a decent amount of miles. 15,952. Now that's not a lot of miles. It's just for 2013 NC700, I did not expect. I expected like 5,000 miles. This guy rode his bike, which is awesome. I guess the 2013 is 5 years old. 23,000 miles a year. It's not that bad. Runs great, guys. I'm gonna show you guys this because I'm like super pumped to figure this out because alright, so it says gas down here and then battery that way, gas that way. What? So no way, that's where the battery is? That's crazy. That's super cool. So that's where the battery is. And this, I guess, what? This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. So you literally put your crap up here in the tank, and you fill your gas up in the back. That's like the reverse of all sport bikes, but honestly, it makes way more sense. It makes way more sense. There's way more space. That's awesome. I love this bike now. It's officially my favorite NC700. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Caleb. Make sure to check out the test drive video on this bike. I'm sure Sean's going to rave about it. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.